Hello dear friends, welcome to another updated video. So guys, in this video I gave you the complete solution of TikTok, how to delete the TikTok accounts from the apps. So guys, here is the complete solution. You can see on the screen, this is the TikTok ID. So guys, go to the me option on the right bottom corner. Here is, and if you want to delete your TikTok account within 1 minute, go to the three dots on the top corner right side, and here is the complete detail of your ID. You should go to the managed accounts. Here is manage accounts, and the last one is delete account. If you want to delete your TikTok account permanently, then click on delete account is here, and this menu is open. And to continue, you need to complete SMS verification. First, you will receive an SMS code after tapping send code. So dear friends, here is the click on next and send codes. Wait of 1 minute when you receive a code. So guys, this is the code 2827. Here is 2827. The code is, and click on continue. After giving the complete confirmation, if you delete your account, you will no longer be able to log in TikTok with that account. You will lose access to any videos you have posted. You will not be able to get a refund on any items you have purchased. So guys, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During a deactivation, for your account would not be visible to public. Your account will be deleted permanently. You are about to delete account, and now click on delete account. So guys, you are about to delete account, changes continue. So click on delete. So therefore your account have been deleted successfully. So guys, here is no account is added. So guys, my account is deleted successfully. If you want to delete your account, follow all these steps one by one. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.